Namaste dear students. Today I am going to take topic Pratyaya. In Pratyaya meaning is suffix. We are adding Pratyaya after the word or after the verb dhatu. So in this one, first in your 10th grade board syllabus, there are three type of Pratyaya, Krit Pratyaya, Tadit Pratyaya and Stri Pratyaya. First we are going to understand what is that Krit Pratyaya. Krit Pratyaya meaning this all pratyaya we are adding with only the dhatu, only with the dhatu like pat, chal, with that like pat, chal, gam, da dhatu, shru dhatu, and so on. Other this tadit pratyaya we are using only with shabd, only with shabd like dhan, manushya, and other also. This three pratyaya we are using for Stri Pratyaya we are using for when the pulling word is there, that pulling word we are changing into Striling. Example, Dev will change into Devi while using these two Pratyaya, which Pratyaya that we will see further. Now first we are going to start that only the Krit Pratyaya. In that Krit Pratyaya we have two type Pratyaya. First one we have Tvayat, second one we have Aniyar. So first I'm going to start this Tvayat Pratyaya. In Tvayat Pratyaya we need to understand the meaning of this Tvayat Pratyaya is what? Should. For the as what we are using for Vidhiling Lakar, similarly we are using here for Tvayat Pratyaya also. And in Tvayat Pratyaya only Tvaya will left. This we are making in the Pulling, Striling and Napunsakling. What we are doing in this one? Pulling word we are making as Tvayah, Sterling will be Tvaya and Napunsakling will be Tvayam. Now we'll see some example here while adding with the dhatu. For example, if I am saying Pat plus Tvayat, so that will be Pathi Tavyah in pulling, Pathi Tavya in Striling and Pathi Tavyam in Napunsakling. Here we need to understand one more thing. What if dhatu is ending with some uh, swara or vowel? No, yes. So before this, if the dhatu is ending with ma, that will change into na. Example, gum plus tvayat, tavyat. So ma change into na letter. So gan tavyah. I am going to take further examples only from the pulling. Gan tavyah, like nam plus tavyat. So nan tavyah, and also many examples we can see for later. Next one, if ending letter is a, if ending letter is a, that will be as it is. It means that will be a only. For example, if I am saying here da dhatu, da plus tavyat. So what can we make? Da tavyah. In Striling, da tavya, and Napunsakling, da tavyam. Okay. And another example, if we see, then like pa dhatu we are using and tavyat pratyay we are using. So tavyah, patavyam, like that we are using. If ending letter is e or badi e, small e or badi e, that will change into a letter. For example, we are seeing here ni plus tvayat, tavyat. So ne tavyah, netavyah, netavya, and netavyam. Like that we are making. If any other word, if we are saying here G plus tavyat, so jetavyah, jetavyah, like that we are making. If ending letter is U or bada O, that will change into O. For example, we are saying here shru plus tvayat. So O will change into O letter. So shrotavyah, shrotavyah, shrotavya, shrotavyam. Like that we are making. If ending letter is re, that will change into, if ending letter is re, so that will change into ar. For example, we can see here kri plus tavyat. So kartavyat, kartavyah. How? This re will change into ar, and this ka will become half ka. So ka and a will become full ka, and this ra comes on 3, like that, ta or ra on that one. So I hope you understood this tavyat pratyaya. If not, then you can go from the back side and you can check again. Now we are going on the second pratyaya. Second pratyaya name is what? So Aniyar Pratyaya. So what is that Aniyar Pratyaya is? In Aniyar Pratyaya what left? A, ni, ya. Here also we are making pulling, striling and napunsakling. Aniya will be a, ni, yah. Aniyah, aniya and aniyam. Like that we are making. Here also some word is there. If ending letter is dhatu is ending with e or e, that will become aya. If ending letter dhatu, if it is u or u, that will become ava. If dhatu ending letter is ari, so that will become r or ar. If ending letter is a, then that will be a only. Example we will see one by one. So we'll see here some example E or E. Again I'm taking that example only. Like if we'll see here ni plus aniyar. So if E or E is there, that will be aya. So that will become what? Na ya ni yah. Na ya ni yah. How it become? Just see, badi E is there. If it is badi E and a is there, then here will comes what? Aya. Now was there. Now will merge with this one. Ya will come in this one. So Naya Niya. Naya Niya. Now we'll see in the next one. Next, if U or U is there, that will become Ava. For example, we are saying here Shru plus Aniyar. So that will become Shra Va Niyaha. Shravaniyaha. Like that. If a re-example is there, we can say here that Kri plus Aniyar. So that will become Kara Aniya. Yeah, if it is in the word, if ra letter is there anywhere, ra or sha letter is there, that na will change into na. If a is there, we are taking here like a plus, sorry, da plus aniyar, so that will become da daniyah, daniyah. So these all we are using in the aniyar pratyaya also. And the aniyar pratyaya also meaning is what we are using here, should. So I hope you all understand this one. If not, then you can again see the video this one. In the next video, I will come with this Tadit Pratyaya. Tadit Pratyaya I will going to explain you complete in that one. In Tadit Pratyaya video only, I will explain you about the Stri Pratyaya also. Thank you.